Hello friends, this is Shakeel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you the few options of a powerful AI tool called Gemini. So the address of the website is google.gemini.com. So when we will open this website, a page will appear there. So there is the one option of the chat. So this is the simple chat box as we have in the chat GPT, where we can create the content, whatever the prompt we will give it to, and it will display the content according to our prompt. Now the main option in this is the first, how we can modify the photographs, how we can edit those photographs, and the second option is the story book. In this option we can create multiple stories. uh, it could be of any 50 words or 100 words. We can create the stories for kids. So the great thing is that we can listen the stories. There is an option for the audio also, but there is not the option of download. So I will show you the mm, how many options are there. These two important options I will show you today. So stay tuned. I am going to show you the how we can use these options of this software. Thank you. Hello friends, this is Shakeel, and today I want to give you the introduction about a powerful AI tool called Gemini. So for this I will open the Chrome. I will type here uh, gemini.google.com, and I will press the arrow key. The page will open like this, and I will first of all tell you how we can edit the photographs. We can modify them, we can change the background color. I will go on the plus sign. I will upload the I will go on the add from the drive. So I will select a photograph. This is my photograph. I will select this and I will press the insert. Look, my photograph has been inserted here, and I will now give the prompt: change the background of the above picture. Okay, I have given the prompt: change the background of the above picture. Now I will press the arrow key, and it will take few seconds and it will change the background of the above picture. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So it is asked me, no problem, I can definitely change the background for you. What kind of background would you like? For example, do you want a cityscape? So it is asking me what kind of background I want. So I will give here another prompt: modify the above picture as I am walking in a garden. Okay, now I will press the arrow key. So let us see what will happen. We have to wait for 5 seconds. So let us see what will happen. Look, it has changed the whole picture. I have given the prompt here: modify the above picture as I am walking in a garden. So this is the garden. I am walking in a garden, so it has changed the automatically the above picture. Now I will give here another prompt: modify the above picture as I am riding a motorcycle. I have given the prompt: modify the above picture as I am riding a motorcycle, and I will press the arrow key. So let us see what will happen. It will take few seconds, but it will definitely create a picture according to my prompt. So okay, it has changed the above, it has given me the, it has changed the picture above according to my prompt. So this is the first thing that we can do with the help of Gemini. We can change the background, we can do anything uh, with this, with the picture. And now the second thing is, this is the first thing. Now the second, I will go on the this arrow key, and I will go on the storybooks option. Now I will show you an interesting thing. Here we can create a story, and I will give a prompt here. I will write here sorry, create a story of a lion and a mouse playing in a forest. So I have given the prompt, create a story of a lion and a mouse playing in a forest. Create a story of I will give here the create a story of I will write here, create a story of 50 words. Create a story of 50 words of create a story of 50 words of a lion and a mouse playing in a forest. Okay, I will press the arrow key. Now let us see what will happen. It is creating a story. It will take few seconds. So we have to see what will happen. It is creating a story of 50 words as according to the prompt that I have given to it. So let us wait for a few seconds. It will create a whole storybook, and I will show you. We can also, it is creating a story. It will take few seconds. So it has created a story of a lion and a mouse. It is a picture, and it has also written the line and the line this by Shakeel Misgar. It has given my name. This is the story. This is the scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, page 3. It has 50 words of page 5. Okay, now suppose I want to listen this story. I can also listen it. I will press this button.
The Lion and the Leaf. Leo the big lion woke up from his nap in the sunny green forest. "Hello," squeaked Tiny Pip the mouse. "Want to play?" Leo smiled. "Yes, let's race around the old oak tree." Pip hid quickly under a big, curled green leaf. Leo pretended not to see her. They tumbled and chased and laughed until the sun went down. Best forest friends forever.
Okay, it has created the story, and here I can share the story. Suppose I want to share it, I can share it on the WhatsApp, I can share it to anybody. But here the issue is I cannot download this story, but I can share it. And another option is, this is the voice. If the voice, you see that the voice is little louder, you can lower the voice also here, and I can share it, but I cannot download this. So you suppose you want to make the video, you can easily take the story, you can easily create a story from here, and then you can create a story according to this. When you have given the prompt here, it will create a story. Then you can also create a story on the YouTube also. You can use your voice also, or you can also create the voice from the chat GPT, or you can create the voice from the AI Google AI Studio. So this is what I have shown you. So I hope you liked the video. So try to create the stories, try to edit. So there is no need to use the photo editing softwares. When everything will happen here, you can change the background, you can do anything as I have shown you already. So try this software. I hope you like the video, so don't try to forget like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.